Carpet tiles and traditional carpeting offer different benefits for home and commercial spaces. Carpet tiles come in standard sizes like 18 by 18 or 24 by 24 inches and can be installed without professional help. You can handle the tiles yourself, place them where needed, and replace individual pieces if they get damaged or stained. The modular design makes carpet tiles practical. When a section gets damaged, you just replace that tile instead of redoing the whole floor. This saves money and time compared to traditional carpeting. Regular cleaning needs are simple. Just vacuum or sweep, and you can deep clean with commercial equipment when needed. These tiles give you design freedom. They come in many colors and patterns, letting you create custom looks. You can update the design by switching out specific tiles. The tiles are made from recycled materials like nylon and polyester, making them environmentally friendly. They're easier to recycle at the end of their life compared to traditional carpets. So carpet tiles work really well in high-traffic areas because if a section gets damaged, you can just replace that part quickly. They actually have some health benefits too. Since they're easier to clean thoroughly, they help reduce dust mites and allergens. Oh, and some tiles even have antimicrobial properties to fight bacteria. The main health drawback, though, is that new tiles can release VOCs, which might cause some eye irritation. The choice between carpet tiles and traditional carpeting honestly depends on your space and what you need. Carpet tiles really excel in commercial spaces and in areas that need frequent updates. On the other hand, traditional carpeting is still super popular for residential use, offering good insulation and durability. Both options have their place, but carpet tiles definitely provide more flexibility for maintenance and design changes.